Then you hear the Muslim do this. In all the Asian cultures, when we meet our Asiatic brothers, sisters, you see them. It's a gesture of honor. It's a gesture of respect. Well, I respect God, so I bow to God and His greatness. But then there's a time that bowing is not good enough. Then the Muslim will get down. The Muslim is not bowing to a human. The Muslim is saying, I can't stand up before you since you brought me from the fetal position when I was in the womb of my mother. Let me return to that position and humble myself to you, that you may elevate me, because I have no power to elevate myself. What is Islam? Islam is obedience to